Let's be honest. If computers have personalities, printers are the drama queens of the office. They jam, they run out of ink, worst possible moments, and sometimes they just refuse to print for no reason at all. I'm Ross Whitmore from Northern Technology Services in Petoskey, Michigan, and today we're going to dive into the mysterious, mischievous world of printers, why they act up, what you can do about it, and how to finally make peace with the office's most unpredictable gadget. Now, printers, they're like that one coworker who always calls in sick on deadline day. They look innocent, but they know exactly when to make your life difficult. And let's face it, even in 2026, when we're supposed to be paperless, the printer is still a necessary evil. So now, let's talk about some common printer fails and, well, why they happen. So first, paper jams, the classic. Sometimes it's cheap paper, sometimes you're putting too much in, sometimes the printer just wants attention. Give it a little pat in the top. Pro tip, fan your paper before loading and just don't overfill the tray. Out of ink when you swear you just changed it. Printers, they're notorious for crying wolf. Sometimes the ink sensor is off or the cartridge isn't seated right. Pro tip, remove the cartridge, put it back in, and also check to make sure no protective tape may have been missed. Printers offline, but it's right there. Network printers, they love to go on vacation without telling anyone. Pro tip, restart the printer and your computer. Check the Wi-Fi and the cable connection. Make sure it's set as your default printer. Print spooler error. This is your printer's way of saying, my brain is full. Pro tip, cancel all your print jobs. Restart the computer, restart the printer, and then give it another shot. Now, the secret life of printers. Here's what your printer isn't telling you. It needs regular cleaning. Dust and debris cause jams and streaks. Old drivers, new problems. Update your printer software now and then. It's picky about paper and ink. Generic supplies, they work until they don't. Power surges can make it glitchy. Use a surge protector and get the manufacturer's toner or ink. So, now, you need help. If you've tried the basics, you've restarted it, you've reloaded the paper, you check the ink, it's still not working. Tell us what the exact error message is. Bonus points if you get us photos. Let us know if it's happening to everyone, or is it just you? Mention any recent changes. Did you get a new router? Was there a Windows update? And please, don't take your frustrations out on the printer. It can sense fear. Okay, kidding. Mostly, maybe, a little bit. I don't know. Anyway, all right. Use good quality paper and the right ink toner. Don't ignore those maintenance lights or those weird noises. And clean the rollers and print heads every few months. Maybe even more if you still print a large quantity of paper. And again, keep it on that surge protector to ensure that there's no power fluctuations, because the last you want to do is fry maybe a $1,500 machine. And consider a backup plan for emergencies, like a nearby print shop, or grab a second printer for mission critical jobs. Now, despite all of our cloud apps and digital workflows, sometimes you just need a hard copy. Whether it's signatures, compliance, or just that comfort of holding a physical piece of paper in your hand. But as printers get smarter and hopefully less dramatic, a little know-how goes a long way. So next time your printer acts up, don't panic. Remember, it's just doing what printers do best, keeping us humble. And if you're battling with a particularly stubborn printer or need help setting up a reliable, low-drama print environment, give us a call at Northern Technology Services, 844-959-5040, or visit ntsmanage.com. We can't promise your printer's never going to jam again, but we'll make sure it's not out to get you. Oh, all right. Thanks for watching NTECH Tips, and subscribe for more truths, a few laughs, and practical advice that actually works. And remember, the real paper jam was the friends we made along the way. Thanks for watching.